Take a deep breath in and slowly let it out. You are exactly where you need to be. Right now, this moment is for you to realign, refocus, and rise. Close your eyes if you can. Feel the ground beneath you. Feel your heart beating steadily, reminding you that you're alive, capable, and growing. You've doubted yourself before. You've questioned your worth. You've wondered, can I really do this? But the answer, the truth, has always been yes. Let's begin. Success isn't luck. It's alignment between your thoughts, your actions, and your belief. Repeat after me, slowly and with feeling. I am ready to manifest success. I am ready to manifest success. I am open to the opportunities meant for me. I am open to the opportunities meant for me. I am capable of achieving great things. I am capable of achieving great things. I am enough right now as I am. I am enough right now as I am. Let these words sink in. Each one is a seed planted in your subconscious, ready to grow with repetition, belief, and consistency. Doubt is just fear pretending to be logic. It whispers, what if you fail? But what if you succeed beyond imagination? Repeat after me. I release the fear of failure. I release the fear of failure. I release the need for perfection. I release the need for perfection. I let go of old stories that hold me back. I let go of old stories that hold me back. I trust that every step forward has purpose. I trust that every step forward has purpose. Even when you can't see results yet, trust the process. Seeds grow in darkness before they reach the light. You're not behind. You're becoming. Visualize yourself already living the life you dream of. See it, feel it, believe it. You wake up energized, grateful, confident. You do work that fulfills you. You attract people who respect and support you. Your days are filled with momentum, passion, and peace. Now affirm it aloud. I am a magnet for success. I am a magnet for success. I attract aligned opportunities easily. I attract aligned opportunities easily. My energy is powerful and draws success to me. My energy is powerful and draws success to me. I embody confidence, discipline, and clarity. I embody confidence, discipline, and clarity. Success flows to me naturally because I am in harmony with it. Success flows to me naturally because I am in harmony with it. You don't chase success. you become it. There was a time when you believed you weren't enough, but that story is no longer yours to carry. Today, you are rewriting it. Repeat after me. My mind supports my growth. My mind supports my growth. My thoughts are aligned with abundance. My thoughts are aligned with abundance. I think, act, and speak like a successful person. I think, act, and speak like a successful person. I am calm, focused, and ready to receive. I am calm, focused, and ready to receive. Every time you repeat these words, you're training your subconscious. You're replacing old doubts with new truths. You are literally rewiring your mind for success. Your inner dialogue becomes your outer reality. So speak kindly to yourself because you're listening. Sometimes success takes time, not because you're not ready, but because the universe is aligning everything perfectly for you. Repeat. I trust the timing of my life. I trust the timing of my life. I am patient, persistent, and powerful. I am patient, persistent, and powerful. Everything is unfolding exactly as it should. Everything is unfolding exactly as it should. My dreams are on their way to me. My dreams are on their way to me. You're not waiting. You're preparing. Every delay is divine protection. Every challenge is a stepping stone. Even when you doubt yourself, the universe does not doubt you. Now, bring your awareness to the success that's already forming around you. Even if you can't see it yet, it's happening beneath the surface. Gratitude amplifies manifestation, so say it with intention. I am grateful for the success I'm creating. I'm grateful for the success I am creating. I am thankful for every opportunity that comes my way. I am thankful for every opportunity that comes my way. I celebrate small wins as signs of greater things to come. I celebrate small wins as signs of greater things to come. I attract abundance, joy, and fulfillment with ease. I attract abundance, joy, and fulfillment with ease. Feel that gratitude expanding in your chest, that warm sense of knowing that everything is working out in your favor. Take one last deep breath in and exhale any remaining doubt. You are powerful. You are aligned. You are successful, not just in the future, but now. Your thoughts create your reality, and right now, you're creating something extraordinary. Carry this energy with you. Revisit this recording whenever you doubt yourself, because success isn't about never feeling fear. It's about believing anyway. You are ready. You are capable. You are unstoppable.